Welcome, today in front of me Honor 9A, and I'll show you how to adjust notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should open the notification bar, and right there in the right upper corner you'll see the edit icon. Tap here on the icon, and as you can see, you get here the two sections, the up section with our visible icon on our notification panel, and the down section with the icon that you can add to your notification panel. And now just to add one from these two icons, for example, hold for a while the icon and drag it here to this up position. And also by the same way we can add here one more icon, and if you wanted to remove the icon from the notification panel, by the same way you should just hold for a while and drag it here to this down position to remove the icons from the panel. And also if you wanna just change the position of the icons, by the same way hold for a while and drag it to the section or to the position where you wanna just change the icons. And then just to confirm all the changes, tap here to done, and as you can see we got here the changes on our notification panel. So that's how it looks. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.